Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol sa balitang ito kung saan ay here are the 3 reasons why XRP price is on the rise today. Ayan, nandito po yung tatlong mga bagay kung bakit umaakyat ang market price ni Ripple sa ngayon. At ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan, sabi po rito ay XRP is on the bounce today after printing a 4% rise to retest the $0.5296 price as the current growth course marks a major reboot for the coin. Ayan, maakyat po si Ripple sa ngayon at ayan, nakapagprinta na ito ng 4% na increase. The new rally being showcased now emphasizes the renewed optimism in the ecosystem because of the 3 crucial news buyers are acting on. Ayan, nagkaroon daw po ng renewed optimism yan dito kay XRP. Yan, at ang naging dahilan po rito ay yan yung tatlong crucial news buyers na ito. Kaya yan, factors driving XRP growth. Yan po. In what many pro-crypto lawyers had been predicting for some time now, the request for an interlocutory appeal from the United States Securities and Exchange Commission has been denied by Judge Analisa Torres as reported by the Crypto Basic. Yan. Isa po ito sa mga nagdulot sa pag-angat ni XRP. Yan, na-content na po natin ito yung tungkol dito sa pag-deny ni Judge Analisa Torres sa interlocutory appeal ng SEC. Ayan, hindi po niya pinayagan. Ayan, tinanggihan po ni Judge Analisa Torres. Kaya yan, number 1, the ruling from the Judge Torres solidified her earlier rulings, which held that the sales of XRP on secondary marketplaces do not constitute securities offerings. Additionally, the ruling posited that all other distributions of XRP by Ripple Labs do not constitute an investment of money. Yan po yung paliwanag ni Judge Analisa Torres kung saan ay pinanindigan po niya yung kanyang naunang ruling dito kay XRP. Ayan, the ruling is important as it has now become the law of the land as far as the handling of XRP is concerned. Market bulls are now likely to be more confident should they acquire the coin from the exchanges that have listed it. Ayan, yung mga market ay bulls na ngayon. Yan, dumarami na po yung mga bullish, yan, yung mga buyers or nag-hold ng XRP sapagkat mas naging confident po sila or nagkaroon sila ng confident dahil sa naganap na ruling na ito. Kaya yan, yung mga investors ay bumibili na sila, nagdagsaan na sila sa mga exchanges para bumili ng mga kanilang mga XRP token. The case also sets a precedent for the general crypto industry as many other prominent coins face related SEC crackdowns. Ayan. Hindi lamang po si XRP kasi ang may kinakaharap na kaso kay SEC. Marami na rin pong mga ibang mga cryptocurrencies. Kaya yung pagkapanalo dito ni Ripple ay parang yan, naging maganda na rin po para sa ibang mga cryptocurrencies. Number 2, another crucial factor driving XRP's growth is the Ripple versus SEC trial scheduled that was recently released by the court. The trial, which focuses on the allegations the SEC brought on Ripple's executives Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen, is set to commence on April 23, 2024. Ayan, ito naman po yung pangalawang crucial factor yan na magtutulak para lumago si Ripple ay yan yung nalalapit na trial. Yan, nalalapit na trial ng Ripple at ang SEC na magaganap dito sa paparating na buwan, April 23, 2024. Yan, number 3, lastly, the resurgence of XRP might also stem from the more positive sentiment surrounding the full license approval of Ripple Labs by the Monetary Authority of Singapore. Ayan, resurgence po ng XRP. Yan, sapagkat meron po silang full license approval ng Ripple Labs dito sa tinatawag nilang MAS. Ito po ay Monetary Authority of Singapore. The approval will now enable Ripple to expand its crypto services offerings to institutions and businesses in the region, expanding its reach altogether. This approval and XRP's potential role in the firm is also a major trigger that most proponents are banking on right now. Ayan, maganda po. Ibig sabihin ay maganda po talaga yung approval na ito kay Ripple. Ayan, kasi nagkaroon ito ng expansion or mas lalawak yung kanyang crypto services. At yan, maganda po yan. Talagang maganda po talaga yung positibo talaga yung impact nito kay XRP token. Is XRP's growth sustainable? Many might assume that the growth of XRP is not sustainable considering the encompassing downturn that many altcoins are showcasing at the moment. Ayan, maraming mga nagtatanong na yung pag-angat ni XRP ay parang hindi raw po magtatagal kasi karamihan naman daw po ng mga cryptocurrency sa ngayon ay nakakaranas ng hindi magandang paggalaw. Through the short-term performance might be subject to market momentum. The massive fundamentals in the XRP ecosystem might help guarantee sustainable long-term growth. Ayan, at the moment, the major developments have spiked XRP's price by 4% with a volume of 90.49% to $1.68 billion and the market cap is up by 3.93% to $28.2 billion respectively. Kaya yan po yung mga tatlo na mga key reasons para si XRP ay umangat. Ako po ay sumasang-ayon dito sapagkat talagang yung mga tatlong key reasons na ito ay talagang masasabi nating mabigat yung kanyang mag-impact nito sa presyo ng XRP. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay paki-click lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Paki-click na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.